Yo, what's good team? I hope you're all having a great day. Today was a profitable day as well, and I want to go over a trade that I shared with the inner circle and with the free Telegram channel as well. If you're not in the free Telegram chat already, and if you're watching me for the first time, like you found me on YouTube or whatever, make sure to check the link in the description, join my free Telegram chat. I'm going to give some free trading setups, results, motivational stuff, and keep you updated about giveaways in the future, whatever. Like right now I'm running 2 giveaways for all commenters who dropped comments under my last 2 videos. They can win a $10,000 Ftmo funding challenge, plus lifetime membership in the inner circle of our team with a Genius Trading Masterclass course. But anyways, let's talk about this trade today. I shared with you late London session that I'm going to buy Euro US dollar, and it was kind of the same trading setup that we've talked about yesterday. As you can see, the market makers they tricked some sellers into the market. Then we had a huge move to the upside, and the market was coming back into this zone where they have manipulated the market a little bit. Like before, we saw that big move to the upside, that break a couple of structures. So all I was waiting for is to come back into that area, stop loss just below, and then try to manage this thing, run to the top. This is what we did, and yeah, this one played out pretty well. I've recorded the session, so yeah, let's hop into that video real quick. This is the trading session this morning, guys. As you can see, market was coming down pretty nice. As you can see, we just catch the liquidity of yesterday's low, like the day before. The lows got taken out, I think, and then we had a nice move to the upside, and then I was just waiting for the market to pull back in this area, take my entry, and then let's see how I manage that trade along the way. Like we talked about yesterday, I most of the time I nearly always try to load up my position size when I have a good trade running. So let's see what I did on that one. Market was coming down pretty deep into that zone, but then it starts to move with a nice big push. So I was able to close my first position with a $40 profit, and then let's see what we did after that. I'm sure I've scaled it up a little bit. Market was consolidating a little bit, and I was looking for continuation. So I was checking the big figure numbers. Then we had a nice reaction. I was still patient. Okay, and now I was like, all right, now it's ready to get up some more. So I was willing to load it up, move my stop a little bit, just to make sure I'm not violating my risk management. Oh wait, I forgot to put out my face. You cannot see what is happening with the profits, man. Let me hide my face real quick. Alright, so let's go back a little bit. So the market was moving up, boom, closed the first position with like $40 profit or something like that. Boom, took our first profits. Then market was consolidating a little bit. I was waiting for like for a nice push to the upside, like a nice fat green candle, and then I saw, okay, buyers are stepping back into the game. We are probably going to see a move above the recent high. This is what I was aiming for. I was willing to load it up, so I opened 2 more positions, and I think I was even going for a 3rd one. Yeah, so we have 3 more positions on the table. So I'm now I'm 2 times from the position size wise. I'm 2 times bigger than I was on my entry. I already closed one in profit, so we took $40 off the table, and now we have 3 more positions on the table, and I'm looking to bank profits around that high. So this is where I closed 1, 2, and I think I've closed one of the first positions as well. We've closed, I've closed this position as well. Take big chunk of money out of the market, and yeah, we got a nice breakthrough. And then I had just one position running, and I was like, okay, let's try to scale it up a third time. But this time I was moving my stop so many times because I was thinking like we are going to get like a big run up. Unfortunately, it stopped me out by, I don't know, 0.5 pips or something like that. And then after that we had a huge push to the upside, so I missed a lot of money just because I had my stop too tight. I was scaling it up a little bit too aggressive and didn't want to give away a big chunk of my profit. So I ended up with I took 3 more positions, as you can see, and then the market unfortunately stopped me out at the 116 level. 1.18, 116. I got stopped, and the market was just going to 115 and turned around. So just imagine I would have it like at the big figure number 100 or just a little bit below that. We would have easily got through this pullback and made even much more money than that. But yeah, I want to give you this example because yesterday everything worked perfectly fine, and today I was able to scale it up the first time, banked profits, and the second loading it up didn't work out that well. But anyways, that's part of the game. It's not always working as we wish. The market is moving. We have to take what the market is willing to give us. So yeah, that's how it is. We ended up with around 2% profit for the day. We are on day 4 of the challenge. I'm up 6.6% for now. I still need 3.4%, and I have more than 3 trading weeks left, so I think we are going to manage it easy. If you have no idea what Ftmo, what prop trading is, guys, pretty easy. You have to prove to a prop trading firm that you are skilled, that you know how to manage risk, that you can make money on a consistent basis. They will give you their money to trade with, and you get 70%, 80% of the profit depending on what kind of prop trading fund you are working with. And they will give you accounts, 6-figure accounts. Some prop trading firms, they even give you 7-figure accounts, and you get like crazy amounts of money out of it. Just imagine making 10% on a $400,000 account, you get 40,000. 70% of 40,000, guys. It's crazy what is possible in here. So yeah, if you're interested in that kind of stuff, just let me know in Telegram. You can reach out to me in Telegram, drop me some questions, let's talk. And yeah, check out the Genius Trading Masterclass course if you're looking for guidance, strategies, if you want to connect with traders who know how to play this game. Yeah, just check it out. Link is in the description, and join my free Telegram channel for free trading ideas and all that good stuff, guys. Yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe. Have a great day. Peace.
Everybody in the room.